Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn about the very important 4 laws of logarithms and their respective proofs. So in this video, I will explain the proof of first 2 laws of logarithms, and in the next video, I would explain the proofs of next 2 or last 2 laws of logarithm. So first, let me explain you that logarithms has a property that if 2 terms are being multiplied, then if you will apply the logarithm, then what the log will do, that logarithm will convert this product as a sum of 2 individual logarithms, uh, sum of these 2 logarithms. So this is uh, the proved result. And how to prove it, that you will start the question like this one, that you will assume that let log m with base a is equals to x, and log n with base a is equals to y, and you label these 2 expressions as equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is the first format, and then you will convert into exponential form. So it will become m is equals to a raised to power x, and this expression will become n is equals to a raised to power y. So we have converted from logarithmic to exponential forms. If you rewrite it as equation number 3 and equation number 4, like this one, and if you look at the proof, you will see that we need the product of 2 numbers, m multiplied by n. And we have obtained the values in equation number 3 and equation number 4. These are the values of m and n. So what we should do, that we will multiply equation 3 and 4. So how do we multiply 2 equations? Left sides are multiplied with the left sides, and right sides are multiplied with the right side. This is how the 2 equations are multiplied. But you will notice that on right hand side we have single base, so you can write it as single base, and the exponents will be added together. It will become m times n. So m times n is equals to a raised to power x plus y. At this stage, once you will achieve, you have to convert back into logarithmic form. And how do we convert into logarithmic form? You would write log on left hand side, and this base, which was a, it will become the base of logarithm, and x plus y will become, which were the exponents in fact in the previous step, those will be written at this place. And now utilize equation number 1 and 2. In equation number 1 we have written x was log m to base a. This was equation number 1. And y was log n base a. So this gives the proof of the first law. This gives the proof of the first law. And you can see that we have done it as a reference from equation 1 and 2. What was written in equation 1 and 2, I would show you again. In the beginning of the question, we have written or we have assumed that log m was equals to x and log y was equals to log n was equals to y. So these two values are utilized at the end of the proof right here. X is substituted right here and y is substituted right here. This gives us the proof that was required. Log m multiplied by n is equals to sum of two logarithms or individual logarithms, log m plus log n. In the very similar way, we will proceed for second law of logarithm. So you will start the second law of logarithm like log m over n is equals to log m minus log n. Actually, this law gives us the information that if two numbers are being divided like m divided by n, when the logarithm will apply to these questions, they will be written as difference of the respective logarithms in this way. Now, its proof will be very much similar as we have done in the first part of the first law. In the first part, exactly in the same pattern, we will start like log m is equals to some number x and log n with base a is assumed as some number y. You will assume these two numbers and label it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Again, you will convert both of these into exponential form. For exponential form, you would write m is equals to a raised to power x and n is equals to a raised to power y, and you can rename them equation number 3 and equation number 4. So till here, the proof of first and second law are identical. So there is no difference at all. But in this part, because we have to divide m by n, so we will divide, because this is required now, divide equation 3 by 4. So you would write m divided by n. Left hand side will be divided by left hand side, and right hand side of equation number 3 will be divided by right hand side of equation number 4. This is how do we divide two equations. Left side will be divided by left side and right will be divided by the right hand side of equation number 4. So it will be written as like this one, and a raised to power x minus y will be written like this one. So at this stage, what we will do, we will convert into logarithmic form. And how do we apply the logarithmic form? You would write log m over n uh, the x minus y, which is actually exponent in the previous step or in the second last step, will replace a, and the a on the right hand side will become the base of the logarithm. So this a will become the base of the logarithm, and m over n will be as it is, no change at all. Xy will be replaced with a, it will be written there. Now, whatever we have substituted in equation number 1, that was log m base a. This was the value of x in equation number 1, and log n base a was the value of y in equation number 2. So this gives the proof log m over n base a. This is a required proof, and in this required proof you will see that this is from equation 1 and 2. For reference, I would show you again that in equation number 1 we have, this gives the proof, this is the result. In equation number 1 we have substituted x is equals to log m base a and y was equals to log n base a. So I hope that you will understand these two laws, which are very, very important. Uh, Either one of these two laws can appear as a part of a long question or a short question in board exams as well. So I hope that you will understand the, if you want to learn it, if you want to uh, memorize it, it is only possible if the students do write these proofs with your own hands after understanding the logic and the procedure. So these two proofs are quite important, quite interesting, and a part of these two, early part of these two proofs are identical till equation number 3 and 4. This is very much same. So I hope that you will enjoy it and do read it and do write it with your own hands so that after practice you will be in a position that you can prove these laws yourself. Thank you. In the next video, I would explain the proof of next two laws of logarithm. Thank you.